Hey, we're at the Toronto Boat Show standing here at the Lund booth, and this is the brand new 1600 Fury. The 1600 Fury and 1400 Fury are entry-level models, full of features with a floor, live well, rod lockers, dual side rod lockers, center live well, aerated live well, oversized storage compartment, and large storage capacity for a smaller boat. Your fuel tank tucks underneath the splash pan. It's available in a console and tiller models. It comes with a 2-seat standard. Each boat has 3 seat bases in it. Trolling motors are optional. You can get this package with a bow trolling motor. There's a deck for mounting it, and you can have the wiring installed at the factory. The Fury is built off of an IPS hull, which has an integrated power strake on the bottom of the hull, which gives the boat great lift and great overall performance on the water. Excellent ride. The construction is double riveted seams. We've got longitudinal supports running throughout the boat. These boats, the hulls have a shallow dead rise and are designed to work with lighter horsepower motors, and they run fantastic with small motors, as well as if you max them out with max horsepower. So they're excellent running economical packages. If you're into fishing and you're just getting started, or you're fishing in small lakes, or you need a secondary boat for the cottage, for the kids to use, it's a great little package for a family.